We are adding box number 2 to my hair
Nice nail color.
of the color we did several weeks ago, which is Blue Mercury. Because last time we goofed up in this box. I know this is going to be a boring video, but just watch.
You walked away.
I may look away a few times, but just ignore it. But we are dyeing my hair Blue Mercury. Then after, I will probably be taking another video of us getting drunk. Because it is Haley's 22nd birthday today. So everybody please say happy birthday to Haley. And she's putting bunny ears on me, of course. But yes, she is turning 22 today. So everyone please tell her happy birthday. I know this is a slow progress though. And she's back there smacking her lips. And peeking around the corner. Oh. Skittles. And my cat is being a goofy butt. If you hold on a second, I will turn the camera around. Well, he was on top of the chair, looking like he was on top of a mountain, but then he jumped down before I turned the camera around. I have a crazy cat. And of course his name is Skittles, like the candy. Which you can tell I like the candy Skittles. I also like the candy Reese's, but I'm not naming my cat Reese's. It would be different if it was a different color, like Haley said. Skittles, you will come say hi to everybody? I guess not. Say hi, Haley. Peace. Of course, she's just going to say peace. She's too busy paying attention to the hair. Now my cat is playing with the chain by the door. Skittles. Skittles! Don't you meow me. Everybody meet Skittles. That is my crazy cat, Skittles. Well, I'm going to let you go for now until we finish with my hair, and then you'll see a video of us drinking and being goofy. See you later.